What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Daniel Flutter. So today we are going to be looking at stack. Let me just explain what stack simply means. Stack is a widget in Flutter that it places another widget on another widget. So let's say you can place a container on another container. So I'm going to show us an example here. So let me go to a Figma design. Okay. Now, if you look at this design here, we have a picture here, and then we have this container with a child, with this child test widget here. So and also we have, so this is a container, okay, that has a children which is stack. So then because we can place different widgets inside of stack widgets, so this is a stack. Then we place a picture here, place another one here, then also we have the name and description here, or the location rather. So this is what stack simply does. So, but today we are just going to look at the widgets, how we can use the widgets. But in my next tutorial, I'll be designing this kind of this page. So we are going to, let's go straight directly to the tutorial. So first of all, we are going to return the scaffold in our material. Okay, I already have my material app here. So let me save this and see. Okay, now next thing is we are going to add an app bar. And then the title is going to be of type test widget. So I'm going to name it stack widget. Then save. Now there. So let me add the const here. So in our body, we're going to be returning. I'm going to be returning a sized was. So I'm going to save the project. So you can't see anything. Size what is a widget that, okay, we can use it for spacing our project, our design. So you can, if you check the properties here, we have double, which is width, height, and a child. So it can take a widget as a child. So I'm going to, okay, now I'm going to use a child. Now inside the child, I'm going to call the stack widget now. Now stack widget has some properties here too. So we are going to be making the children. So now this is saying the construct is a constant. So I need to remove this constant here. So I'll save this. So now in the stack, we are going to place our children inside. So the first children I want to add is a container. So I'll just displaying container. So which is going to have a height of, let me see, 50, and a width of also 50. Then also I'm going to say the color, which is going to be colors.red. Right now, so let me save this now. This is what we see here. So now we have our first container inside of this stack. So I'm going to copy this container and also reuse the same container inside of the stack. I'm going to hit save. Now we can see nothing actually happens here. So now I'm going to change the height of this container to be 100. Okay, now I'm going to change it to be 100. Then I'm going to change this one to be 100. Then the color is going to be colors dot, let me say blue. Or okay, let me give it blue. So I'm going to save it. Now we are seeing this container on top of this container. We can't see this red container any longer. So we are only seeing this blue container. So meaning the stack widgets stack place this container over this other container that we have, the first container here. So that's the work of stack. Stack will place another widget on another widget. So if, okay, now for instance, let me put this container at the back of the first container. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this widget up. So then just add them out. So now can we see? So we have this. Now this red container is the one that is on top of the blue container. That's why we can be able to see this red, and also we can see the blue container. So that's how stack works. So we also have another. If we check in this the properties of stack, now we can set an alignment. So then we can set the text direction, and also we have fit, and also we have click behavior, and then which is what we've done here. So in my next tutorial, I'm going to be showing us how we can be able to use all of these properties. I want this tutorial to be short. We just want to take a look at a brief introduction to stack widgets. So before I stop this tutorial, I'm going to show us another part of this stack, which is not listed in the properties, but we can make use of position widgets. So this position widgets, we are also going to let me give you the child of. If you check the properties here, we can set top, left, right, bottom, width, and the eyes. So let me make this child a float action button. So then we have an on press, which we're going to make it an MC. Then the child is going to be icon. I'll place icon dot add. So okay. So I'm going to say now we have this this floating action button on the containers. So now this is the power of floating action button. So we can set top. Let me say top, and I set it to be 20 pixels. So can you see? So we can be able to move this floating action button from left to right, and also top to bottom. So if I should set it to be 200, now this is going to go off the container here, so we can't see anything here. So now what I'm going to do is, because we have the parent widget, which is size bus here, we have it to wrap with size bus. So, and whenever we add because this container here, the container will always take the space of the size bus. So the size bus, the default width and the height is going to be determined by the containers, the which children that we have here. So now this floats this position widget that we set to be the top to be 200. So I'm going to set the height of this size bus to be, let me say for example 500, and the width 500. Then the width should be, so I'm going to call media query. I want it to be 100%. Media query does for the context dot size dot width. So this is going to be 100%. Now can you see we have the floating action button? You can be able to see it now. So let me see, for instance, then I want to give it another to the right side. I want it to be at the edge of the right side, which is, I'm going to make it 0. So this is going to, can you see? Now it places this floating action button at the edge of the right side. So this is how position widget works inside of Stack. So we can be able to move the widget around the way we want. So, and also okay, so that's that for this tutorial. So in my next tutorial, I'm going to be showing us how we can be able to build this design here using Stack widget. So thank you for watching my tutorial. I hope you like. So if you like my video, please compensate me by subscribing to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get a notification whenever I release a new video. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Bye bye. See you next time.